Hello everybody. Sunday the 22nd, we've got some birds up. 7 hens. I lost all the mottles. I lost one the other day. No, I lost 2 the other day, and then I lost 2 yesterday. Just let them out. Did not come back again. I think they got spooked by a peregrine or a hawk or something, and they went. I didn't even see them after about the first 10 minutes. Then that was it. They were gone. Never mind. Got some babies in the nest, didn't we? Plus we've got these 7 here, and also I lost the cockbird the other day when I had the cockbirds out. Highs and lows, isn't it? Highs and lows. Right. Got back to my old breed and wean mix, so that's good. What's going on in here? I have been feeding them in the pots, but they just chuck out so much food everywhere. You see what they leave? They leave all the wheat. Right. What's up here? 2 blues. Up until yesterday I thought there was a black in here with this red. But it's not. I don't know, it might be. Nah, it's gonna be blue in it. Blue and a red. What we got in here? Another blue and a red. Excuse the mess, I don't bother changing the nest pans. Not until the next round. 2 Gordon Hughes, must be blues. Yeah. Here we go. Couple of nice bad boys in there. Two more reds. Coming on. Coming on. And what's down here? 2 more Gordon Hughes blues. Yeah. I like the powder blue more than the dark smoky blue, but there you go. I've got 1 of each in there. Gordon Hughes blues. Right, I've just put a new load of oh, you just saw me, didn't you? Put it down there, we'll see if they go down there. I've got some stuff in the water. Secret ingredients in the water today. That's Gemfer packs. Not too big a secret, is it? Well, they've got food in all their pots. But like I say, they always flick it all about everywhere, but they've got to have plenty of food this time of year, haven't they? Once one go down, look at the hens. The hens are looking, they know there's fresh food down there. Here they go. See, although there's food in front of them, they still want to go down and get the maple peas. They're all looking. They're all looking. Should put it upstairs for them. Come on. Come on, Em. Come on. See, look. Although there's food in all the pots, they always want a fresh top up because they want all the peas and beans. Protein. They know what they want, don't they? They know what their babies need. See, look, they're all eating. Although there's food in all the pots. I know there's food in the pots because I just checked them all out. Just give it all a good scrape out and I checked all the pots. Still got loads of food in, but they always want a top up. If you look closely, look, they're all eating the peas. Look at that hen there eating the peas. Got some more droppers hatching. It's ironic. This one here, the first round, one hatched, and then the egg took 2 days to hatch, and it didn't survive. And the same again, look. This one's hatched, and this egg is chipped all the way around, but they're still not out yet. I bet they end up dying. And underneath, top secret, they are under a trial pair of tipplers. More about them later, if they survive. But that's a top secret, don't tell nobody. Canary's all gone outside, although a sparrowhawk was about yesterday. Again. I'm going to build a tray. Mick, Mr. Price, I haven't finished building yet. I'm going to build a dirt tray for on here, so I can get to it from the front. Cut the wire, make a frame, so I can slide the tray in and out. Fed up with scraping that top bit. I think the tray would be better. We'll just pull the tray out from the front of the shed. Might have a wire front. Might have a wire grill floor on it, so the birds aren't standing all there and droppings. Although they do get quite dry on there, but that's only the time of year, isn't it? So they're now pumping food into them babies, but they've got food all day. So I feed them in the mornings, I feed them when I get home, early afternoon, then I feed them again after tea. Right, thanks for watching. If you have, take good care, stay safe.